Right, so to remove the front wheel, the front calipers have to be removed, like so, and just suspend them with something, like I used a bungee cord, so they aren't hanging on the brake lines, which are going to get tossed anyhow. I'm using stainless steel ones, upgrade to Galfers. So it looks like that. Axle looks like so, comes out from the right side as you're sitting on the bike. And there's a spacer on this side of the fork. The service manual procedure says to loosen those pinch bolts next to remove that spacer. I'll see how that goes back together when the wheel's ready with the new Galfer discs. And of course, when you're doing these kind of jobs, have your XM radio tuned to Ozzy's Boneyard. Right, so next step is to get the discs off. Should be fairly straightforward. And put on the new Galfers. While I'm at it, check the brake pad wear. They look pretty good still. Okay. I'll see you in the next video.